In this video, I'll show you how to add theme in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to add your theme, you can just scroll down on this left sidebar right here, and you should be able to see it in here, the option for appearance. When you hover to this one, you should be able to see in here the theme. So click on this themes right here, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see all of the things that you have for this one. So here is right here, all the things that I have, which is Astral, Elementor, and all of these things. If you want to add a new theme, you can head over and click on this Add New Theme option right here, or click on this Add New Theme right here. So click on this Add New Theme button, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see all the themes that you have available on your theme store. So here's the themes that you can install. Once you have seen them, you can actually install them right here. So just choose which ones you want to use. For example, for me, I'll just choose this one, which is the hover. Click on this install option right here, and this will install a theme to your actual dashboard. Now in here, once it's been installed, you should be able to see it right here on your themes that you have available. So let's just wait for this right here, and then in here, as you can see, the hover has been added into our added theme that we have installed. Now if you want to activate it, just click on this activate option right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.